Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your account in Bingo Blitz app. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to delete it. Let's get started. First of all, launch the app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to delete your account, you need to go to the About section. Here you can see the three lines icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now scroll down to the bottom, and here you will see the About option. Tap on it. After you are in the About page, here you can see the Delete My Account option. Tap on it. Now, you need to keep in mind that this process will permanently delete your account of Bingo Blitz. So if you really want to delete your account, only then you can choose this option. So in order to proceed with deleting your account, here you can see the Proceed button. Tap on it. So once you select this option, you cannot go back to your account anymore. So that's it. That's how you can delete your account of Bingo Blitz app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.